Exercise 6.6 question number 5. Here in this given figure, AD is median of triangle ABC and AM is perpendicular to BC, and we have to prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square, and AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. And also we have to prove that AC square plus AB square is equal to 2AD square plus half BC square. So let us write given and to prove. Given AD is a median of triangle ABC. AM is perpendicular to BC. We have to prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. And third part we have to prove that AC square plus AB square equal to 2AD square plus half BC square. Now proof. Here in this question we are given that AD is median. So D is midpoint of BC, and therefore BD and DC will be equal to half BC. BD equal to half BC and also DC is equal to half BC, because AD being median, D will be midpoint of BC. AD is a median of triangle ABC. Therefore, BD is equal to DC is equal to half BC. Now in right triangle ADM, in triangle ADM, we have AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. So AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. Let it be number 1 from Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ACM, in right triangle ACM, we have AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. This is also from Pythagoras theorem, because triangle ACM is right angled at M. AM is perpendicular to BC, so we have written AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. This is AM square plus this MC can be written as this dm plus dc. So dm plus dc whole square. So am square plus, now expand dm plus dc whole square using a plus b whole square formula. So dm square plus 2dm into dc plus dc square. am square plus dm square plus 2dm into dc is equal to half bc. So let us put dc is equal to half bc here, and here also dc equal to half bc whole square. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. am square plus dm square we can write equal to ad square from 1. So ad square plus dm into bc, we can write bc into dm plus bc by 2 whole square. bc by 2 whole square. So therefore ac square is equal to ad square plus bc into dm plus bc by 2 whole square, and this is first part which we have proved. Second part, in triangle ABM we have AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square from Pythagoras theorem. Because triangle ABM is a right angle triangle as AM is perpendicular to BC. So AM square plus this BM can be written as BD minus DM. So BD minus DM whole square. AM square plus, let us expand BD minus DM whole square using A minus B whole square formula. So it is BD square minus 2 BD into DM plus DM square. This is equal to AM square plus this DM square minus 2 BD can be written, this BD can be written as half BC. So 2 into half BC into DM plus this DM BC by 2 whole square, that is half BC whole square. AM plus AM square plus DM square we can write AD square minus this 2 cancel, BC into DM, BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square. So therefore AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square, and this is second part that we have proved. Now we shall prove third part. Here we have AC square is equal to AD square plus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square and let it be number 2, which we have proved in first part. And we have also proved AB square is equal to AD square minus BC into DM plus BC by 2 whole square, let it be number 3, and this we have proved in second part of this question. Now adding 2 and 3, adding 2 and 3, we get AC square plus AB square. AC square plus AB square equal to AD square plus AD square 2AD square plus BC into DM minus BC into DM will get cancelled. BC by 2 whole square plus BC by 2 whole square equal to BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4 is finally half BC square. So half BC square, and this is the proof of third part. So finally hence proved.